Hi everyone, and especially to you that's watching this video. Well, I think our little lady's got everything she needs now except for pajamas. She don't have pajamas. So I've got this little flanny or flannel material. I'm going to make a little night dress out of this for her. Okay, the picture is a bit big to scale, but I've chose like one picture of the of the teddy bear. I'm going to put it in front, and I chose the one with the mostly white inside because I don't really want the blue for the little girl, but it doesn't matter really. So I used our good old faithful pattern to put it on, and except for and then just trace around it, except for here by the legs I didn't go in. I just make it straight because it'll dress, and then on the sides I went a little bit wider than because it's a little dress. But the problem here is big flannel, you can't just burn the ends like I do with the like this material here with a lighter. It won't help. It will still fray. So the only thing you have to do is put a seam in. So obviously by the arms, I've got to put a seam in here. So I actually myself cut it out first before I work on this little thing. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think that's going to be the best. Not as usual, just work around the lines um, because I must, otherwise maybe I must just cut here first by the arms. Yeah, just cut it straight down. It still will make it easier to, and you should can cut it at the right length as well, because yeah, at the seam, so yeah, I think that will be better. I'm gonna put a little just a little lace all around. So at first I must do the arms. So I think I must just use the pen and see on the others. Okay, make a mark in the middle already, just to show where I must fold it again, so it can be on the right place. Okay, and then I'm gonna open it up and just put a little seam in here. Okay, so I put a little hem in the arms, so I'm just going to fold it again, um, right side to right side, keep that dot there, and put my pin in just to keep it in place. And then I'm only going to sew on the one side of the little dress first, just to make it easier, because I'm going to put this little lace around the hemos here. So I'm just gonna, so it will be just easier to put a lace in. So I'm gonna just do on the one side first now. So I did, now that I did put a little hem in here, so I'm just gonna cut the one side. Just remember, just not too close to the sewing work. Out here, here we go, just in the corner there a little bit, just to make it better too. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out my pin. I'm gonna open it as much as I can, and I'm gonna put my little lace somewhere on the right side. I think I'm going to use a little zigzag stitch, but like I say, you can do it by hand sew, and you can even just put also just a little hem in here if you want, doesn't matter. But I think I'm going to put a little lace just to make it more girly around. So I'm going back to my machine again. Okay, so now I put a little lace in there, so now I can close up on the other side of the little night dress. Okay, so now the dress is all finished up, so I just cut this piece off here as well. Just careful not too close to the working. And in the corner. There you go. So now, I know that like this is not stretch or anything, but luckily, okay, I don't like to do that. But this little doll's head can come off fairly easy. So I'm going to use that method to put on a night dress. I don't like to take off the doll's heads, but in this case, I don't have a choice. It's better than to put bulky Velcro or buttons or something on the little dress. So I'm just gonna cut a little half circle out here, or a little triangle. Now I know this piece will fray. Okay, first I'm gonna turn it inside out. Okay, so there's a little dress all turned on the right side out, and actually looks very cute. But as you can see, the neck already started to fray there. So I've got this idea of use bias binding. I've got satin bias binding, and I'm going to attempt to put it all around the neck. Some of just hand thread. I'm going to thread it through. Just hopefully that will work. But I think I must first use my old faithful iron and just press it down in half, so it will be maybe easier to work with then. Okay, so I iron this now a bit down, and so I'm going to do it on the back side. Oh, look, there's a little teddy bear on the bum side, cute. So I'm going to put this over. And then just draw off my and there's our little pajamas for our little girl. It's him now around the neck with this with the bias binding. I believe it was no easy task, and it's all ironed out now. So what this little girl needs now is a good bath, because she's, with all the handling all the time of the clothing making, she got quite dirty. So I'm going to give her a nice bath, and then I'm going to put her in her nighties and put her to bed. Then I'm finished with this little girl. So let's go give her a bath. Okay, our little girl had a nice little bath, so she's all cleaned up now. All her clothes is put away in a little drawers. There's a vest and all her beanie hats. And in the next one, there's all her, I think, there's all her shirts and her pants. And then here in the hanging side is her jackets and her shoes. And if you can remember, when I got this little hangers was when I bought the little washing machine. I will put a link here in the corner for you to show you the video of the washing machine. So I got these little hangers in there, and it's actually perfect for this little baby. So shoes is in here in the cupboard, it's all filled back to the back now, and her jacket is hanging there. So and then in her by a cot here is her little all her baby clothes and her onesies is in here. So I'm gonna dress her now in a little clean nappy and a nighting dress, and going to put her to bed. I think it's time, so then I'm finished with this little one. So let's put on the nappy. And these little clean nappies, and now the part I do not like at all, that I have to take a head off for this one to put on a little night dress so that she can go to sleep. Well, there you go, her little night dress is on, and I think actually she looks quite cute in it. So yeah, now I'm going to put her to bed. Let's take this extra pillow out of here, she doesn't need that. Alright, inside bed, and then she can go to sleep. Oh, where's that little arm now? There we are. Our little baby is nice and cozy in a little bed. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed all this clothing making for this little baby girl. Like I said, on the end of this video, we'll see a playlist of all the clothes I made for her. And I actually enjoyed it very much, but I think she really got enough clothes now. So now it's little brother's turn. So please, if you do like this videos, give it a big old thumbs up there for me, and you can press that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and you can see a whole lot more of this type of videos. Like I said before, it's not just about clothes, it's all about, like you can see here, it's the furniture. It's all about making furniture for the dollhouse, making the dollhouse itself. So all my videos is about that, and I'm gonna give now in all my videos. I know the previous years I didn't really give tutorials on how I made the furniture for the rooms, but now I'm going to do it from now on. So yeah, you will see much more of me and much more of real DIY stuff we can make for a dollhouse. So yeah, until next time then, bye.